All right, you guys, so this week for February 10th through the 16th, we have just a couple things you have to do at home. So before coming to class, you need to have your 5.4 video notes done. Those need to be done. They need to be completed. They need to be ready to be checked when you walk through that door. So that's the 5.4 video notes. That your packet you should have. If you do not have your packet, I did upload the video notes or the Cornell notes. So you can either download them to your computer or you can copy them on just a blank piece of paper. And then you will see we have this proportional relationships Desmos. This will not be open until class because this is over 5.5, and you'll notice that we are learning that in class. So we're going to do 5.5 in class, which then will lead to this review activity, which is the proportional relationship. This is to be finished at home, if not finished in class. And so you'll notice we do not have big ideas this week. Our only homework assignment is going to be that proportional relationships. So in the folder, you will see your video notes for 5.4. This link will not be active until after class, so this actually won't show up there for you until after class. And then, like I mentioned before, those Cornell notes are here for you if you lost your packet. So that's all we have for this week. And then if you finish all of that, make sure that you have all of your missing assignments turned in as well. And I'm going to let you go so that way you can start working on all of your stuff.